So I have been noticing lately that many upcoming YouTubers have been popping off in the algorithm, and it has been an increasing trend over the last years that many creators are using B-roll to enrich their videos nowadays. B-roll is an integral part of any video, since it can make a part of the video more interesting, because you don't have the same dullness of you talking into camera for 5 minutes straight. So it is of vital importance to get it right, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. Step 1. Find the perfect lighting. Usually the perfect lighting is at the golden hour, which is approximately 1 hour before sunset. Step number 2. Take your camera or your phone. I'm going to use this gimbal that I unboxed in an earlier video, calibrated a little bit. And after you have finished setting up everything, you'll need to go and film the product in a circular, smooth way. To clarify, I don't think that your B-roll should be confined in a circular motion. You can play around with your filming style, you can play around with focus, but you should remember that B-roll is filmed with smooth motions. But when you'll want to use your B-roll in a video, you will notice that the clips are a little bit shaky because of your hand movement, your walking, etc. So you can see that the job is not done yet. You need to take your B-roll to the editing software. So first of all, you'll need to import your B-roll into an editing software. So then you'll need to find stabilization and apply it to the clip. Go away, battery. And then once you play the video, you'll see it's very smooth now. So I hope I taught you guys a little something with this video. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Stick around for some more informative videos. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace!